The Mahakumbh Mela 2025 is the world's largest gathering of humanity and has officially begun in Prayagraj. This once in 144-year spiritual phenomenon is not just an event, it's a celebration of devotion, culture and faith. Over the next 45 days, the city will host a staggering 45 crore pilgrims from all walks of life, making this a truly immersive experience. Now, this Kumbh Mela is special in every sense. Why, you ask? It is because it marks the completion of 12 Kumbh Mela cycles, a sacred event that only comes in 144 years. The origin of Kumbh Mela is deeply rooted in Hindu mythology, tracing back to the Samudra Manthan, also known as the churning of the cosmic ocean, by deities and demons to obtain the nectar of immortality or Amrit. Legend has it that Lord Vishnu, disguised as enchanting Mohini, that saved the nectar from falling into the hands of demons. But during a fierce fight, few drops of this divine nectar spilled over 4 sacred places which are now known as Prayagraj, Haridwar, Nashik and Ujjain. These places have since then become the heart of the Kumbh celebration. Now at Prayagraj, the confluence of rivers like Ganga, Yamuna and the mythical Saraswati, known as the Sangam, is believed to be a divine spot. A holy dip here during the Kumbh is said to cleanse one's sin and purify the soul. Now let's talk about the highlight of the sacred gathering, the Shahi Snan. Shahi Snan or the Royal Bath is one of the most iconic ritual of the Kumbh Mela. It's not an ordinary bath, but a majestic procession. This royal-like spectacle is believed to symbolize purity and divinity. The 6 snans of Mahakumbh are Paush Purnima, Makar Sankranti, Mauni Amavasya, Basant Panchami, Maghi Purnima and Mahashivratri. The 6 snans or the holy baths during the Mahakumbh Mela hold profound spiritual and cultural significance in Hinduism. These baths are believed to purify the soul and absolve sins to help the devotees attain moksha. Some believe that this is linked to the positioning of the royal planets like Sun and Jupiter, which decide the timing of the Kumbh. The Mahakumbh Mela is more than just a festival, it is a spiritual awakening, a cultural confluence and a testament to the enduring faith of millions. As the chants fill the air and the waters welcome devotees, Prayagraj has truly become the epicenter of divinity.